So today my presentation is respect for cultural diversity and cultural rights. My name is Karaisa Fitri. My student ID number 2324090109. My class B604. 1. International policies. Sweden recognizes the Paris Declaration as well as the European Council's reference framework of competence for democratic culture and UNESCO approach to global citizenship education as important international agreement on promoting citizenship and the common value of freedom, tolerance, and non-discrimination. Through education, in a European context, these international agreements are all policies that fully support the achievement of sustainable development goal target on quality education ex-member stage to ensure that all learners acquire value, attitude, and behavior to promote sustainable development, human rights, gender equality, promotion of culture of peace and non-violence, global citizenship, and appreciation of cultural diversity and of culture's contribution to sustainable development. 2. National policy. The Swedish Education Act and the national curricula clearly assigns teachers and other school staff the responsibility to teach and establish respect for democracy and human rights. Core curricula include promote and appreciation of the value inherent in cultural diversity. Schools are seen as an arena for cultural interaction and inclusion. Core curricula also underlines developing an understanding of cultural diversity within the country. The school is responsible for ensuring that each pupil on completing compulsory school has obtained knowledge about the cultures, language, religion, and histories of the national minority, Jews, Romanies, indigenous, semi-Swedish, and Tornedal Finns. All who work in the school should, according to national curricula, contribute to removing any restriction on the pupils' choice of the study or vocation that are based on gender, social or cultural background. Cultural syllabus in various subjects as, for example, the issue of respect for cultural diversity and cultural rights of each person. 1. To what extent the measure described above relate not only to the issue of language in education but also to arts, heritage, science, history, value, and religion, or worldview and ways of life. In all their diversity, Sweden practiced a whole school approach on inclusive education. Different aspects of cultural diversity are respected in a several subject syllabus. 2. Specific and particular difficult encountered in ensuring an inclusive and quality education that allow cultural diversity and the cultural rights of each person to flourish. Segregation in society as a whole also affects school segregation and can relate to challenge like inequality education. 3. Specific mechanisms established to consult and ensure the participation of stakeholders, in particular concerned and parents, for better understanding and effectiveness of the right to education, including its cultural dimension. Place of children's voice in this context. The Swedish government takes the agency for education to start an education program for Roma language and culture. This project of bridge builders start with a first round 2012 and continue 2005 and a second around between 2006 and the project is a part of the strategy for Roma inclusion in Sweden. A discussion, a new round was taken in the bridge builder education start after consultation with the Roma community and the agency involved. The aim of the education is that people who have participated in the program should be prepared to work in preschool, school, social service, or the health sector and serve as a link or bridge between individuals and the public sector. The follow-up from the first round saw high participation and slightly lower from the second. The follow-up reports from the participating municipalities show that the project has been important in building confidence between local authority and people part of the Roma community. 4. Recommendation to states and other stakeholders on this issue: whole school approach, international approach with focus on norms, work systematically and knowledge based. Grammar discussion. 1. Tasking tugas. 2. Concerning berkonsentrasi. 3. Practicing berlatih. 4. Removing menghapus. 5. Fokus. Contoh kalimat. 1. I'm concerned with things that I see in the world that I are aware of. 2. I practiced really hard last night to midterm. 3. She removed her jacket. 4. We watched a movie last night. 5. She was very focused on the movie. Okay, thank you.